What would you do if you were vastly outnumbered, yet stood your ground for freedom? The Battle of Thermopylae, fought in 480 BC, is a testament to such courage. To understand this epic clash, we need to set the stage. The Persian Empire, led by King Xerxes, sought to conquer Greece, while the Greek city-states united, albeit reluctantly, to defend their homeland. In August of 480 BC, a small Greek force of around 7,000, including 300 Spartans led by King Leonidas, positioned themselves at the narrow pass of Thermopylae, determined to hold off the enormous Persian army. Key figures emerged during this clash: King Leonidas, embodying Spartan valor, and Xerxes, the ambitious Persian ruler. Their contrasting leadership styles played a crucial role in the battle's dynamics. The battle ended in tragedy for the Greeks, but it sparked a flame of resistance across Greece, ultimately leading to Persian defeat at Salamis. The sacrifice of the 300 became legendary, symbolizing bravery against overwhelming odds. Today, the legacy of Thermopylae lives on. It serves as a reminder of the power of unity and sacrifice in the face of tyranny, inspiring countless movements for freedom throughout history.